according to Gallup, there's $550 billion of productivity lost in this country every year because people are disengaged from their work. So if we could get them engaged, if we could get them happier, if we could get them more positive, more creative, more productive, with higher performance, we'd make more money. And the interesting thing about employee well-being, when you have that high level of well-being, there's 41% fewer defects in the quality arena, 41% lower health costs, 30% fewer accidents. So creating a platform for more positivity in your company not only makes you money by creating better customer experiences, but it saves you money because people that are highly engaged in their work get hurt less often. They screw up less often. They show up more often.